El Toro Loco Monster Jam Series 22. Here in Series 22, they started with a new card back and also a bubble. And on the bubble, you probably already noticed that the monster truck tracks on the side. And then here, coming up on this side, on the left-hand side of the bubble, then coming up here on top of the top there, tracks. And also on this side, tracks from the monster truck. And the back of the card, very nicely done, a little different. We get a lot of colors going on the left hand side. We get Megalodon, and then we got Bakugan Dragonoid, and back up here in the Jumbotron is Dragonoid up here also. And on the right hand side of the card, they give you the series number. And over here on the left hand side, you can see it says, it shows you a poster and plus bonus. So we get a barrel, a crush car, or a ramp. On the back of the card for Series 22, starting off with the trucks that are available here, and it says Real Trucks, Real Action Monster Jam. Up here, then we get a photo of the truck that you got, and it has a plus sign, and what you got as a bonus, which is a ramp we got. And then up here it tells you what truck this truck is in the series, and then it is in legacy trucks. So changing it up here in Series 22 with the card. Let's go ahead and unbox the black El Toro Loco. Here is a nice ramp with tire tracks in the ramp. Not that too big, but you can add it to your collection of your other Spin Master Monster Jam accessories. On to the black El Toro Loco. We've been waiting for this one to come out, and finally here in Series 22 we are able to have it. And I like the BKT printing on the tires, and those are different color wheels. I don't know if they have used that color before or not. I don't think so, but I could be wrong. The only thing that I think it would be special now for them to do is, instead of a full color wheel, is just go with a silver color or a dark gray. Maybe that's the word, dark gray. And then a color for the beadlock rings going around the outside of the wheel, just like in real life. Now, the El Toro Loco name is there, the fire on the side, the Monster Jam logo. They did a nice job, I believe, with the two-tone horn from going from red to yellow. Very nice. And then also the nose horn and the fire breathing out of the fire breathing out of the nose. And I was gonna say the nose ring. I messed that up a little bit. There is the opposite side of El Toro Loco, and on the back, on the tailgate, it has El Toro Loco MonsterJam.com. So the other El Toro Locos that I have personally is this one, the yellow version, which I really like. That's what I was really talking about. I really like how they have the BKT printing, the color of beadlock rings, and then the gray wheel inside. That would be that's what I like mostly about whenever they do the tire and wheels. And then also here is the orange version of El Toro Loco. So it's nice to have the black version once again. And now let's take a look at the poster. Series 22, the picture is Monster Mutt. I do believe we had Monster Mutt before for a poster, but I could be wrong. And we get a nice fully colored poster for this. It changed it up a little bit, just like the background and everything that was on the card itself. This is what I was talking about with Dragonoid back there on the Jumbotron on the screen, and then on the other side here it says Real Trucks, Real Action Monster Jam on the other Jumbotron. It was kind of hard to make it out on the card itself. It says collect them all. So now we have a pair hyper fueled Grave Digger. Then we have max contrast of Megalodon. And then we have True Heavy Metal Son of a Digger, which I was able to get. I was very surprised to see it. There's a Retro Rebels of Grave Digger. And then we have the Rough Crowd of Monster Mutt. See-Through Crew, Max D, Maximum Destruction. Legacy Trucks of El Toro Loco right there. Then Storm Damage comes back with Arena Favorites. And then for the first time ever, we get the independent truck of Lumberjack, which I have and was very excited. On the bottom there, it says more coming soon. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review for the black El Toro Loco.